Hey everybody, it's Pete Olson, the Montana Silver Stacker. Hope everyone is doing fabulous. Happy Wednesday the 14th. Happy Valentine's Day. Yay, hope you guys are going to have a great night, great dinner with your loved one. If that's your situation, and I know we will. We're going to have a great dinner tonight. It'll be a lot of fun. I've got an unboxing. I've got 40 ounces, actually, no, because I got the other box, 78 ounces of just a really cool silver round. Let's take a look at it. And remember, guys, I get all my silver and gold from MintBuilder. I get everything for free because I pay for all my silver and gold out of profits, never out of pocket. And if you're looking for a phenomenal home-based business with silver and gold and Bitcoin, click on that link below, and or email me, call me. The information will be below, and we'll discuss and we'll talk about it. Okay, so here is the round. Really cool. Love this kind of the Lady Liberty, if you will, with the hair flowing back in the wind. You can see the rays of sunshine coming up from her head, and then there's 18 stars around the edge of that. But look at the detail of that. Always loved that iconic image. Truly beautiful. Look at the mirror finish. And on the back, the American Eagle sitting on the mountain peak. Look at the sun rays there with the olive branch ready to take off at any moment. And then on top, silver bullion round, 0.999 fine silver. And then, of course, 1 troy ounce. Isn't that a beautiful round, guys? What a beautiful round that is. Really, truly love that. Guys, silver just keeps coming to me because I take all my commissions in silver. You can take your commissions in Bitcoin. You can take your commissions in cash, whatever you choose. And it's just a wonderful, wonderful home-based business, very lucrative financially, and we get the best products in the world, right? Wanted to share that with you. Have a happy, happy Valentine's Day. Please like, please share, please subscribe, and comment below and let me know what you think about the coin. Do you have this? What's your favorite silver round now? God bless you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.